Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this active disposal cleaner. So reason number 1 is they smell really good. I'm going to show you how they clean my garbage disposal. The second reason is they're easy to use and they're fast and they actually work really good. And the third reason is you get a 1-year supply. So you get a bunch in here, you can mark off the calendar. You get 24 of them, you're supposed to use 2 a month. So start off by running hot water into your garbage disposal. You don't turn it on yet for 1 minute. Now after 1 minute, you're supposed to turn the water down to a pencil. About right there, and move it off to the side. You don't want it going right into the garbage disposal. You can use 2 of these at a time if it's really dirty or if it's your first time or if it's been a long time. But if you're doing it twice a month, just drop 1 in there, turn the garbage disposal on. You're gonna leave the garbage disposal on for 1 minute. Now, if you have a double sink, you may get some of this stuff coming up, bubbling up in the other side. All right, so it's starting to come up. Again, this is the active disposal cleaner. It smells really good, and it does a good job of cleaning like the grease and everything out of your garbage disposal. Yeah, you can kind of rinse the excess stuff off. Then after a minute, you're going to turn the garbage disposal off. Okay, it did a really good job inside there. Yeah, it smells really good now. So I'm very happy with these. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Hello everyone. Nope, edit that out.